Cooking the perfect hot dog on the grill means achieving a juicy interior with a slightly crispy, charred exterior. This balance of textures and flavors is what elevates a simple hot dog into a culinary delight, making every bite a memorable experience for home cooks and grilling enthusiasts alike. This step-by-step guide will cover essential temperature requirements and provide invaluable tips for truly great results, ensuring your hot dogs are cooked to perfection every time. We'll explore various types of hot dogs and how to best prepare them for the grill. For ingredients, select high-quality hot dogs from reputable brands like Nathan's or Hebrew National, known for their superior flavor and texture. Additionally, choose your preferred buns, whether standard, potato, or brioche, as the bun plays a crucial role in the overall experience. Gather your favorite toppings such as classic yellow mustard, tangy ketchup, sweet relish, finely diced onions, or savory sauerkraut to customize your perfect bite. The variety of toppings allows for endless personalization, catering to every taste preference. Essential tools for grilling include a reliable gas or charcoal grill, sturdy tongs for safe handling, and an optional but highly recommended meat thermometer for precision cooking. Having the right tools ensures a smooth and successful grilling process. Begin by choosing fresh, high-quality hot dogs. Pre-cooked varieties are standard and convenient, but raw sausages can also be used, though they will require adjusted cooking times and careful monitoring to ensure they are fully cooked and safe to eat. If your hot dogs are frozen, remember to thaw them thoroughly in the refrigerator overnight. This slow thawing process helps maintain their texture and prevents them from cooking unevenly on the grill, ensuring a better final product. Next, pat the hot dogs dry with paper towels to remove any excess moisture. This crucial step ensures better browning and contributes to a crispier exterior, enhancing the overall texture and flavor of your grilled hot dogs. Optionally, score the surface with shallow diagonal cuts. This technique not only enhances flavor absorption from marinades or smoke, but also helps prevent the hot dogs from bursting during cooking, maintaining their appealing shape and juiciness. Preheat your grill to a medium heat, aiming for a temperature range of 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for direct grilling. Achieving the correct initial temperature is vital for searing the hot dogs and developing those desirable grill marks. For charcoal grills, wait until the coals are covered with a light, even layer of white ash. This visual cue signals that the coals have reached their optimal temperature and are ready to provide consistent heat for grilling your hot dogs. Always clean and lightly oil the grates before placing your hot dogs on the grill. This prevents them from sticking, ensures easy flipping, and helps create those perfect, distinct grill marks that are a hallmark of a well-cooked hot dog. Hot dogs are typically pre-cooked, so our main goal is to heat them through completely and achieve that desirable flavorful char on the exterior. This process enhances their taste and provides a satisfying texture contrast. For pre-cooked hot dogs, aim for an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the USDA safety standard. Using a meat thermometer is the most accurate way to ensure they are heated thoroughly and safely without overcooking. Raw sausages, however, may require different internal temperatures: 160 degrees Fahrenheit for pork sausages or 165 degrees Fahrenheit for poultry sausages to be fully cooked and safe for consumption. Always verify with a meat thermometer. Standard-sized hot dogs, typically about 6 inches long, will usually grill to perfection in just 5 to 7 minutes total. This quick cooking time makes them an ideal choice for fast and delicious meals, especially when entertaining. Place your hot dogs directly over medium heat, maintaining a grill temperature between 350 and 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and grill them for an initial 2 to 3 minutes. This direct heat exposure begins the charring process and develops flavor. Then, carefully rotate them 90 to 180 degrees to start creating those appealing and evenly distributed grill marks. This rotation ensures that different sections of the hot dog are exposed to the direct heat, promoting uniform cooking and browning. Continue grilling and rotating every 1 to 2 minutes for even charring across the entire surface until the total cooking time reaches 5 to 7 minutes. Consistent rotation is key to preventing burning and achieving a beautiful golden brown exterior. Always check the internal temperature of your hot dogs, aiming for 165 degrees Fahrenheit for pre-cooked varieties or the appropriate temperature for raw sausages to ensure they are safely cooked through. This step is critical for food safety. Remove them from the grill when they are evenly browned, have developed a slight char, and exhibit a satisfying snap when gently bent. These indicators signify that your hot dogs are perfectly cooked and ready to be enjoyed. A crucial tip: don't overcook pre-cooked hot dogs. They only need to be heated through. Overcooking can lead to a dry, rubbery texture or cause them to split excessively, diminishing their delicious juiciness and overall appeal. Rotate your hot dogs frequently throughout the grilling process to prevent burning and ensure beautiful, consistent grill marks all around. This constant movement helps distribute the heat evenly, resulting in a perfectly cooked and visually appealing hot dog. For an extra touch of flavor and texture, lightly butter or oil your buns and grill them for 30 to 60 seconds until they are golden brown and slightly crispy. Toasted buns add another layer of deliciousness to your hot dog experience. Avoid piercing your hot dogs with a fork or knife, as this releases their delicious natural juices and diminishes their overall flavor and moisture content. Keeping the juices locked in ensures a more succulent and enjoyable hot dog. Consider a spiral cut. Slice a continuous spiral along the hot dog before grilling for extra crispy edges and a unique texture that holds sauces beautifully. This technique also allows for more surface area to char, enhancing the flavor. For raw sausages, utilize a 2-zone grill setup, cooking them over indirect heat first to ensure they cook through completely without burning, then finishing them over direct heat for a perfect char and crispy exterior. This method provides optimal control. Always ensure hot dogs reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit internally to eliminate any risk of bacteria, especially for raw sausages. Food safety is paramount, and a meat thermometer is your best tool for verifying proper cooking temperatures. Once grilled to perfection, gently place your hot dog into a perfectly toasted bun, creating the ideal foundation for your chosen toppings. The warm, soft bun complements the hot dog beautifully. Add your favorite condiments like classic mustard, sweet ketchup, tangy relish, finely diced onions, savory sauerkraut, or even a hearty chili for a personalized creation that reflects your unique taste preferences. The possibilities are endless. Serve your masterpiece immediately with classic sides such as creamy potato salad, refreshing coleslaw, or a satisfying bag of crispy chips. These accompaniments complete the meal, making it a truly enjoyable experience. This method consistently delivers a perfectly grilled hot dog with a satisfying snappy bite and an irresistible smoky flavor, making every outdoor gathering or casual meal a delicious success. Enjoy your perfectly grilled hot dogs.